Check, check. Check one, check two, check, check.
Right then, listen up! We're not talking about your average fish and chips here. No, this is something far more extraordinary. We are diving deep into the world of giants, the colossal beings that roam the ocean depths. These are the titans of the ocean, the true rulers of the deep blue. Imagine a fish so massive it could feed a small army. Yes, you heard that right. I'm talking about the biggest, most legendary tuna ever wrestled from the sea. A true marvel of nature. This isn't just fishing, it's an epic saga, a battle between man and beast. A tale of power, patience, and a bloody massive fish. The kind of story that gets passed down through generations. The kind of fish that makes grown men weep with joy, or sheer exhaustion, probably both. The thrill of the catch is unparalleled, leaving fishermen both exhilarated and drained. This is the stuff of legends, the pinnacle of big game fishing, the ultimate challenge for any angler, a true test of skill and endurance. A true monster of the deep blue, a creature that commands respect and awe. The record books tell tales of incredible catches, but one stands out, a true behemoth. We're talking about Ken Fraser's Atlantic bluefin tuna, a catch that has gone down in history. This absolute unit was caught off Ald's Cove, Nova Scotia, a place known for its rich fishing heritage. Way back in 1979, a year that will forever be remembered in the fishing community. Get this, it weighed a staggering 1,496 pounds, an almost unbelievable number. That's nearly 680 kilograms, heavier than a small car. Heavier than a small car? Just imagine the sheer size and weight of this creature. It's the kind of catch that fishermen dream about their entire lives, a once-in-a-lifetime event. Think about the sheer size of this magnificent creature, a true marvel of the ocean. A fish almost 1,500 pounds. It's hard to even picture it. A true giant of the sea. This wasn't just a big fish, it was a legend swimming in the cold Atlantic waters, a true testament to nature's wonders. Catching something like that isn't just luck, it's a testament to skill, incredible endurance, and maybe a little bit of madness too. It's a testament to skill, incredible endurance, and maybe a little bit of madness too. A true adventure on the high seas. So, how in the bloody hell do you even start to catch a fish like that? It's not something you can just stumble upon. It's not like popping down to the local pond with a bit of bread. This is a whole different ballgame. This is serious business requiring serious preparation and even more serious gear. Every piece of equipment must be meticulously chosen. You need a boat that can handle a battle, a rod that won't snap like a twig, and a reel with enough line to let the beast run. It's a test of endurance for both man and machine. The anticipation on that boat must have been electric. Every moment is charged with the possibility of the catch of a lifetime. Days, maybe weeks of searching, waiting for that one sign, that one chance to hook into a legend. The ocean is vast and unforgiving. It's a game of patience, a true test. Only the most dedicated can endure the wait. Ken Fraser wasn't just out for a casual Sunday fish. He was on a mission. He was equipped for war. Every piece of gear was chosen for its strength and reliability. Heavy-duty tackle is an understatement. This gear is built to withstand the mightiest of struggles. We're talking about rods that look like small trees and fishing lines with breaking strains that could tow a truck. It's a battle of titans. The bait itself would be substantial, perhaps a whole mackerel or herring, something to tempt a true titan. Then comes the waiting, the long, agonizing wait. Hours turn into days, the vast ocean stretching out in every direction. The horizon seems endless. You're constantly vigilant, watching the lines, feeling for the slightest indication that something enormous is lurking below. Then it happens. The moment you've been waiting for. The click of the reel, at first slow, then accelerating into a screaming whine as line peels off at an alarming rate. The battle has begun. Once that monster tuna is hooked, the real work begins. Forget a quick 5-minute tussle. We're talking about a marathon, an hours-long, back-breaking, muscle-screaming fight. This isn't just reeling in a fish, it's a strategic battle against a creature that uses its immense weight and power to its full advantage. The tuna will dive deep, pulling with incredible force, trying to break the line or the angler's spirit. It's a relentless, punishing ordeal, a true test of endurance for both man and fish. You gain some line, the fish takes it back, and then some. Imagine the strain on Ken Fraser. Every muscle in his body would have been screaming, his arms, his back, his legs, all pushed to their absolute limits. The drag on the reel would be smoking hot, literally. The captain of the boat plays a crucial role too, maneuvering the vessel to help the angler, trying to anticipate the fish's moves. After what feels like an age, slowly, painstakingly, the fish begins to tire. The runs become shorter, less powerful, you can feel the shift. This is the moment to press the advantage, but carefully. The fish is still dangerous, still immensely strong. Bringing a fish of that size alongside the boat is a critical and perilous phase. You can see its massive form in the water, a dark shape rising from the depths. The sheer scale of it is breathtaking. It's bigger than you imagined, more powerful than you thought possible. This is the moment of truth. Getting a nearly 1,500-pound tuna into the boat? That's a Herculean task in itself. You can't just lift it over the side. Specialized equipment is needed. Gaffs, strong ropes, and often a door or a winch system designed for these giants. The crew has to work together seamlessly, with precision and strength. One wrong move and the fish could be lost, or worse, someone could get hurt. The water churns as the massive fish is brought closer, its powerful tail still capable of causing serious damage. Section 5, from Titan to Treasure, handling the catch. Right, so the monster is on the boat, the fight is over, but the work isn't done. Not by a long shot. Now it's all about preserving the quality of this magnificent beast. A fish this size, especially a bluefin tuna, is incredibly valuable. Its meat is prized around the world, particularly for sushi and sashimi. So you can't just leave it lying on the deck. Proper handling is absolutely crucial. This means bleeding the fish immediately to ensure the meat remains pristine and doesn't develop an off taste. It's a vital step. Next comes the gutting. This needs to be done quickly and cleanly. Removing the internal organs helps to cool the fish down rapidly and prevents any bacteria from spoiling the flesh. For a fish of nearly 1,500 pounds, this is a serious undertaking, requiring skill and the right tools. The aim is to lower the core temperature of the tuna as fast as possible. This is often done by packing the body cavity with ice, or even using specialized chilling methods. Every minute counts when you're dealing with prime quality tuna. Section 6, the butcher's art, carving the king of fish. Now let's talk about breaking down this ocean giant. Carving up a massive bluefin tuna is an art form. It's not like filleting your average cod, let me tell you. This requires specialized knives, incredible skill, and a deep understanding of the fish's anatomy. The Japanese, in particular, have perfected this craft over centuries. They treat the tuna with immense respect, and every cut is precise, deliberate. The goal is to maximize the yield of prime meat and to separate the different grades of tuna, each with its unique texture and flavor. The fish is typically divided into large sections first. You'll have the akami, which is the lean, deep red meat from the sides and back. Then there's chutoro, the medium fatty tuna often found along the belly and back, a beautiful pinkish color. And the most prized of all, otoro. This is the super fatty belly meat, marbled like the finest wagyu beef, incredibly rich and melt in your mouth tender. A skilled butcher can identify these sections just by looking and feeling the fish. Section 7. Behold, the perfect tuna steak awaits. Right, so we've gone from a monster in the ocean to beautifully prepared cuts. The journey of this magnificent fish from the deep blue sea to your kitchen is nothing short of extraordinary. Now, let's focus on the star of our show for cooking, the tuna steak. This is where the magic truly begins. A perfect tuna steak is a thing of absolute beauty. It's not just food, it's an experience waiting to unfold. We're talking about a thick cut, at least 1.5 inches, preferably 2 inches thick. This ensures that the steak remains juicy and flavorful when cooked. The color should be a vibrant, deep red or a beautiful rosy pink, depending on the cut. None of that dull brownish stuff, thank you very much. The right color is a testament to its freshness. It should look fresh, almost glistening, a sign of its quality and how well it's been handled. This sheen indicates that the fish has been properly stored and is ready to be transformed into a culinary masterpiece. The texture of a raw, high-quality tuna steak is firm to the touch, yet yielding. This balance is crucial for the perfect bite. It shouldn't be slimy or overly soft. These are signs of poor quality or mishandling. When you press it gently, it should spring back a little. This resilience is a hallmark of freshness. Look for nice, clean lines in the muscle, and if it's a fattier cut like chutoro, you'll see that beautiful marbling, those delicate veins of fat that promise incredible flavor and a succulent texture when cooked. This marbling is what sets chutoro apart, making it a prized cut. This isn't just a piece of fish, it's a prime cut, deserving of your utmost respect in the kitchen. Handle it with care and reverence. Treat it right, and it will reward you. The effort you put into preparing it will be evident in every delicious bite. The aroma is another key indicator. A fresh tuna steak should have a clean, ocean-like scent. Fresh tuna should smell clean, like the ocean itself. This scent is a promise of the freshness and quality of the fish. Section 8. Right, let's get cooking my ultimate tuna steak recipe. Alright, you've got your beautiful tuna steak. Now let's cook it properly. No messing about. This is my ultimate seared tuna steak recipe. It's simple, quick, and delivers stunning results every single time. First things first, take your tuna steak out of the fridge about 20 to 30 minutes before cooking. You want it to come to room temperature. This helps it cook more evenly. Don't you dare cook a beautiful piece of fish straight from the fridge, it's a crime. Pat it dry with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy of a good sear. Next, seasoning. Keep it simple. Good quality sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. That's it, be generous. Coat all sides of the steak. Some people like to add sesame seeds for a bit of crunch, and that's fine. But for pure tuna flavor, salt and pepper are king. Now get your pan ready. A heavy-bottomed frying pan, cast iron is brilliant for this. You want to get it screaming hot. Add a little bit of oil with a high smoke point, like grapeseed or sunflower oil. Section 9. The final flourish, serving your stunning steak. So you've cooked your tuna steak to perfection. Bloody brilliant. But how do you serve this masterpiece to really make it shine? Presentation matters, people. Think about colors and textures that will complement the rich flavor of the tuna. A simple drizzle of high-quality soy sauce, perhaps mixed with a touch of wasabi for a little kick, is a classic. Or a light ponzu sauce can add a lovely citrusy brightness. Don't drown it in sauce though, let the tuna be the star. Consider some fresh, vibrant accompaniments. A simple salad of mixed greens with a light vinaigrette works beautifully. Some blanched asparagus spears or tender stem broccoli add a lovely crunch and a splash of green. Maybe some pickled ginger on the side to cleanse the palate between bites. If you want something a bit more substantial, a small portion of steamed rice or some soba noodles would be fantastic. The key is balance. You don't want anything to overpower the delicate flavor of that perfectly cooked tuna. Think about the plate itself. A clean, simple plate will showcase the tuna best.